Neither Albert nor Klover offers the same advance limit to every user, because both apps determine available amounts based on your individual eligibility, instead of giving everyone a fixed maximum. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app determines your limit, what affects the amount you qualify for, and how to decide which one is the better fit. If you're comparing limits, the first thing to understand is that the amount advertised by an app isn't necessarily the amount you'll receive. Your available limit depends on your financial profile, the bank account you connect, your transaction history, and whether you continue meeting the app's eligibility requirements. Albert reviews your linked bank account and other account information to determine whether you qualify for a cash advance and how much is available. If your banking activity changes over time, your available limit can change as well. A higher limit today doesn't guarantee the same amount the next time you request an advance. Klover also bases its advance availability on your individual account. After you connect a supported bank account, the app evaluates your eligibility using the information it receives. As your account activity changes and new banking information becomes available, your eligible amount may increase, decrease, or remain the same depending on your circumstances. Instead of asking which app has the bigger limit, ask which app can evaluate your account more accurately. Make sure your primary bank account is connected, keep your banking information current, and avoid using inactive accounts that don't reflect your regular income and spending. Complete any requested verification steps promptly, because missing information can reduce eligibility or delay your request. It's also worth comparing features beyond the limit itself. Think about repayment options, transfer methods, app experience, customer support, and whether your financial institution works reliably with the service. A slightly smaller available advance may still provide a better overall experience if the app consistently works with your bank and your repayment schedule. If you already have a history with one platform, continuing to use that account may make more sense than opening a brand new account somewhere else, just to chase a potentially larger limit. A new provider still has to evaluate your eligibility before offering an advance. Here's the bottom line. Albert and Klover both calculate limits based on your personal financial information, rather than giving every user the same amount. There isn't one app that consistently offers higher limits for everyone. Your next step is to compare your eligibility in both apps using the same primary bank account, and then choose the one that provides the better combination of available limit, reliability, and overall experience. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons and practical financial app tips.